welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. In this video, Modern Shoe Rack Design Ideas 2024 introduces fresh and functional solution for keeping footwear organized and easily accessible, from sleek wall-mounted racks to compact multi-thread shelves. These ideas cater to homes of all sizes and styles. Shoe racks have evolved from mere storage solution to stylish decor elements, adding character to your entryway. Your closet, you will explore minimalist racks with clean lines from modern interiors as well as creative designs that blend with rustic or industrial decor items. This video also covers space options like underbed storage for smaller apartments and versatile designs that double as seating. With these creative shoe organizer ideas, you will never have to worry about tripping over scattered shoes again. Additionally, tips or arranging shoes by type, color, or season make it easy to find the perfect pair at a glance. Whether you have a modest collection or a shoes lover paradise, these design ideas will help you maintain a tidy and stylish space. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.